ball between Rasco and Anasi. Rasco to Jalimao, back to Jalimao. Dizon. Rasco, the wood rebound by Rasco. Matundad. 15 seconds to shoot. Intercept by Jalimao to Dizon. Jalimao, back to Dizon. Intercept by Rasco to Anasi. Good for 2 points by Reynancia. Dizon. Simo. Dizon, 15 seconds to shoot. The good to call by Anasi, last 4 minutes. Reynancia, Matundan, good for 2 points by Matundan. Dizon. Rasco, no good, rebound by Anasi. Pass to Reynancia. Good for 2 points by Reynancia. Last 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Dizon. Good for 2 points by Rasco. And Reynancia, no good, rebound by. No good. Good for 2 points by Anasi. 15 seconds to shoot. Good. No good. Good for 2 points by Ramirez. Remaining time, last 2 minutes and 37 seconds. Try for 3, Matundan. No good. Rebound by Gomez. 12 seconds to shoot. Rebound by. No good. No good. Rebound by Anasi. Seymour. Timeout goal by BTV. Remaining time, last 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Running score. After the ball game, remaining time, last 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Rasco to Dizon. Turnover. Reynancia to Matundan. Tries to 3. Good ball, 3 points by Reynancia. Last 2 minutes. 15 seconds to shoot. Dizon. Rasco, block. Dizon. Good ball, 3 points by Dizon. That's 1 minute and 35 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Anasi. Good for 2 points by Anasi. Balso. Rasco. Ramirez tries a 3. No good. Rasco. It's offensive foul. Sabret. Halimao out. Echo coming in. Remaining time last 1 minute and 8 seconds. Matundan pa rin siya. Last 1 minute. Matundan, 15 seconds to shoot. Gomez, tries the 3. Intercept by Rasco. Tudiso. Last 50 seconds. Balse. Wow. It's followed up Gomez. First personal foul, first team foul. 2, bonus shot, awarded 2. Balse, first throw. Last 46 seconds. Balse. Basket again by Balse. Last 45 seconds. Hey, nice. Last 40 seconds. Foul. 0-0. Echo. First personal foul. First team foul. 2. Bonus shot awarded to Reynaisa. First throw. Basket. Second and last throw. Numbers ready. Another basket. Last 38 seconds. Last 35 seconds. Buzzer to Diesel. Last 30 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Echo. Good for 2 points by Echo. Last 35 seconds. Matundan. No good. Last 20 seconds. Balser. Last 15. Traveling violation. Last 13 seconds. Last 10. Gomez. Last 5. Rasco. Good for 2 points by Rasco. End of the first quarter. Running score 11-17 in favor of Basketballeros. Next game for Mickey.
Labaro, ibinibigay ko pala ng
Good for 3 points by Reynaisa. Balser. Ramores.
Wala ang dali.
Tada. No good. Rebound by number 12. 15 seconds to shoot. Intercept by Balse. Echo. Ramirez. Balse. 13 seconds to shoot. Vasco. Ramores. Save ball. Sabrep. Reynaisa out. Ambrosio coming in. Echo. To Balse. Last 4 minutes. Echo. To Balse. 15 seconds to shoot. Ramirez. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul number 12. Holding foul. Moral. First personal foul, first team foul. Sabrep. Ramirez out. Dixon coming in. Dixon, Carrasco. 10 seconds to shoot. Good for 3 points by Balse. Moral, 15 seconds to shoot. Good for 2 points by Moral. Dixon. Balse, back to Dixon. No good, rebound by Pada. Foul number 8. First personal foul, second second team ball. Ambrosio, good for 2 points. Ambrosio. Rasco. Foul. Number 34, Ambrosio. First personal foul, second team foul, 2 bonus shot awarded to Rasco. First throw, basket. Basket again. Echo, last 2 minutes and 45 seconds. No good. To them by Echo. To Diesel. No good. Rebound by Ambrosio. Last 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Pada. To Echo. Diesel. Pada. Navarro. Duran. No good. Rebound by Ogo. Last 2 minutes. No good. Rebound by Duran. Good 39 by Navarro. By Ramores. Third timeout. Balse, 15 seconds to shoot. To Diesel. Price to 3. Good for 3 points. Timeout ball by PTV. Remaining time last 1 minute and 36 seconds. Back to the ball game. Remaining time last 1 minute and 36 seconds before the end of the second quarter. Running score 26-19 in favor of basketballers.
Mahilig ko na naman lupad mo.
Ramores, pass 2. Rada. 15 seconds to shoot. Tries a 3. No good. Rebound by Gadima. Torasco. Biso. Balse. Good for 2 points by Balse. Rada. Rada. Galima. That's 1 minute. Management timeout.
Malakas.
Pada, last 55 seconds, Ramores to De Los Santos. 2% by Rasco. Galima to Rasco, last 45 seconds. Ramores. Turnover. Last 30 seconds. Diesel. No good. That's 20 seconds. Diesel. 10 seconds to shoot. Good for 2 points by Galima. Last 13 seconds. Last 10. Pada. Last 5. Galima. First personal foul, second team foul. That's 4.8 seconds.
Joe.
Duran. De Los Santos.
Ay, sobra.
End of the second quarter, running score 26. Beginning of the third quarter. quarter, running score 26-23 in favor of basketballers. Piso, Balsa, traveling violation, server. De Los Santos, Renesia. Intercept by Jalima, pass to Diesel. Balsa to Diesel. Singer. 17 seconds shot clock. Diesel. Rasco, Diesel. The good run by Rasco. Good ball to points by Rasco. De Los Santos to Reynasia tries a 3. Good goal, 3 points by Reynasia. Number 18, Anasin.
Ginanon lang.
First personal foul, first team foul. Echo, good. Sable. That's 4 minutes. Balsa, no good. Rasco, no good. Rasco, good for 2 points by Rasco. Last 3 minutes and 45 seconds before the end of the third quarter. Reynasia, no good. Rebound by Rasco. Balsa, Tubiso. Traveling violation, turnover. Remaining time, last 3 minutes and 34 seconds. De Los Santos. Echo. Jalima. Mogut. Diesel. 15 second shot clock. Mogut. Rebound by Gomez. Balsa. Good for 2 points by Balsa. Last 3 minutes. 15 second shot clock. Reynasia tries a 3. No good. Rebound by Diesel. Foul. Number 1. Reynasia. First personal foul, second team foul. Sabret. Limaw out. Obog coming in. Sabret. Ego out. Rasco coming in. Sabret. Balse out. Ramirez coming in. Running score 29 all. Diesel. Diesel. 15 seconds to shoot. No good. Same.
Kanina pa yung same ball ah. Rep, ano rep?
12 second shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Diesel.
Hey, copy 2.
Good goal to boys by Diesel.
Sana may duro sa pito.
2 minutes and last 2 minutes and 21 seconds. Foul. Number 8. Diesel. First personal foul. First team foul. Timeout ball. Back to the ball game. Remaining time last 2 minutes and 18 seconds before the end of the third quarter. Running score 29. 31, 2 points lead by BTV. Matundan, tries to 3. No good. Rebound by Rasco. Wow, double rebound violation. De Los Santos. Mapatundan. Intercept by Ramirez. Foul. Number 23. Matundan. First personal foul, 13 foul. Last 2 minutes. Balde. Foul. Number 23, Matundan. Second personal foul, penalty. Penalty. Sabrep. Rasco out, Jalimo coming in.
Bawi lang, bawi. Bayan nila yan.
First goal, no good. Second and last goal. Jumpers ready. Turnover.
Bakit?
One bonus shot. Awarded to Balsa. Remaining time last 1 minute and 55 seconds. One bonus shot awarded to Balsa again.
Dapat bagay ito. Stepping. Oh! Wala na baga. Ano ay plan? Patapuso na kaya ng tira lang yan hanggang fourth quarter.
Basco. 2 points by Iran. Last 1 minute and 44 seconds before the end of the third quarter. 15 seconds to shoot. Foul.
Hey, screen!
0-0, Balsa. First personal foul. Second team foul. Reynancia tries to 3. Good for 3 points by Reynancia. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds before the end of the third quarter. Balsa. Ramirez. No good. Good for 2 points by Obo. Last 1 minute and 15 seconds. Matundan to Gomez. He's stepping in the line. Turnover. Jalima to Balse. Balse. Rasco, no good. 15 seconds to shoot. Balse, no good. Rebound by Anasin. Foul. 0-0. Jalima. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Anasin to Reynancia. Last 54 seconds. Good for 3 points by Reynancia. Last 43 seconds.
Ulit!
Jalibao to Obo. Ramirez. No good. Obo. No good. Last 30 seconds. Matundan. Turnover. Last 27 seconds. Running score 32. 35. 35 all. Last 25 seconds. Last 20 seconds. 13 second shot clock. Jalima, almost 10 second shot clock. Good for 3 points by Balsa. Last 10. Last 5. De Los Santos. Number 16. De Los Santos, that's 1 second. End of the third quarter, running score.
Walo lima nga tayo. Kaya ayusin. Sanay man tayo sa ganyan. Hindi naman stepping si Lawrence. Hindi naman stepping si Lawrence. Tapos yung 3 points naka-stepping. 3 points nila. Kaya nga.
Beginning of the fourth and final quarter.
Sobra.
Lagot, rebound by Jalima. Pass to Dizon. Last 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Jalima, 15 seconds to shoot. Good for the points by Rasta. Reynansha. Good for 2 points by Reynansha. Dizon. Russell, good for 2 points by Russell. Ramones. 15 seconds to shoot. Tada. No good. Rebound by number 20. Good for 2 points by Gold
Gasco.
Rasco. 15 seconds to shoot. Dizon. 5 seconds to shoot. Dizon. Turnover. Remaining time has 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Running score 39-42 in favor of BTB. Reynansha, good for 3 points by Reynansha. Reserve timeout. Ramirez. No good. Rebound by Rasco. Timeout goal by BTB. Remaining time last 3 minutes. 3 minutes and 24 seconds before the end of the game. Running score 42-all. 2-1 shot awarded to Rasco. First throw. Logo. Second and last throw. Supers ready. 1 body tap again.
Ayan na naman tayo.
Basket by Rasta. Today time last 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Reserve shot. 15 seconds to shoot. Bada. Rasco out. Number 26. Sabrep. Rasco out. Echo coming in. Number 26. Wait lang, rep. Wait lang po. Wait lang, rep. Foul po. Sinong foul? First team foul. 10 seconds to shoot. Ray Nansha. Offensive foul by Ray Nansha.
Bakit bagay? Oh. Tama.
Back to the ball game. Remaining time was 3 minutes and 8 seconds. Carrasco to Ego. Number 20, Carrasco. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Sub.
Ano?
Two bonus shot awarded to Ego. First throw. Basket. Second and last throw. Jumpers ready. Remaining time last 3 minutes and 2 seconds. Sabret. Gomez in. Rasco out. Last 3 minutes. Ray Nansha. Foul. 0-0. Echo. Second personal foul. Second team foul. 15 seconds to shoot. Ray Nansha. 10 seconds to shoot. Last 2 minutes and 46 seconds before the end of the game. 9-second shot clock. Gomez. No good. Foul. Number 4. Rasco. First personal foul. 13 foul. 2 bonus shot awarded to Gomez. First throw. No good. Remaining time last 2 minutes and 42 seconds before the end of the game. Basket by Gomez. Carillo to Diesel.
Kabiling, bubul.
Double rebound violation turnover.
Torres!
Ramones.
Ito na ho. Ganda! Si coach bibigyan sa NBA. Bilang out kaya yan. Kagaragan na kay San Diego. Kahit talo. Game shot lang natalo sa amin. Hindi ka pa naman. Seconds. 2 minutes. Kaya pa yun? Dalawa. Ayan, pre. Nakasin na naman.
That's 158 seconds. ball! Ay! Oh!
Rocky!
Huli!
Ilang seconds na lang? Ba't naging 40? Ba't naging 40? Stop!
Ba't ako sa lasin? Kapalitan ko.
Lugi sa apod.
Plus 31 seconds. What is score? 49, 46 in favor of PBB. Last 41 seconds. Wait lang po, wait lang. Wait lang po, wait lang. Plus 31 seconds, 14 second shot clock. Plus 30 seconds. Tada, no good. Disqualified, last 24 seconds. Disqualified.
Bakit naging 46? Dalawa lang naman ang lamang nila. Wala naman puma. Bakit?
Yan po.
Ang gulo ng score nyo.
Wait lang po, wait lang. Wait lang po. assisted by DTV. Last 24 seconds. 24.2 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Foul number 23, Ramones. Second personal foul, penalty. Last 18 seconds. Buti wala na pong time out. Last 18 seconds. 2 bonus shot or 2. Echo, last 18 seconds. Basket for Echo. Last 18 seconds. 18.1 seconds. Basket. Last 15. Reynosa. Last 10. Last 11. Number 7. Taga. First personal foul, penalty. Last 11 seconds.
Mayaman na.
Last 11 seconds. 2 bonus shot or 2. Dallas Parillo. Logo. Last 11 seconds. The third. Last 5. Reynosa. Number 1, offensive foul, Reynosa. Second personal foul, penalty. Last 4.5 seconds. Good for 2 points.